In this video we gonna discuss about a simple trick of the speed maths of multiplication by series of ones like 11, triple one and double one or so on. In this mathematics, multiplication is harder than the addition and subtraction. We have some special methods or simpler methods. Before taking up them, we will discuss some special cases. For example, take a number, any number, like let's take a example like 135 is multiplied with 11. Here take the 135 is sandwiched with the zeros. Sandwich the given number between zeros and start from the left end and add two digits or add pair of digits. Add pair of digits. If the total exceeds 9, retain the first digit and carry over to the other digit to the left. This is the concept. Let's do 0 plus 1, 1 and 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 5, 8, 5 plus 0, 5. So here we got the answer is 1485. Take another example and try it. Go for some other example like 58403 is multiplied with 11. Before going to this, we have to sandwich with zeros. Zeros. Then let add pair of these. Add two digits. Zero plus 5, 5, 5 plus 8, 13. 1 right here. 1 is carried over to the 5 and 3 right here. And 8 plus 4, 12. And 4 plus 0, 4. 0 plus 3, 3. And 3 plus 0 is 3. Here we got an answer 64243. Let's try the triple one with the example of triple one, that is 123. 123 is multiplied with triple one. The before multiplied by 11 is sandwiched with single zero. Here we have to sandwich with two zeros. Okay, two zeros. The number is sandwiched with two zeros. zeros, 1 2 3, 2 zeros, and then add 3 digits from the left corner to right corner. Add 3 digits, 3 digits, next 3 digits, next 3 digits, like. Let's write the answer. Yeah, add 3 digits, 1, and cross it, then go another 3 digits, 0 plus 1 plus 2 is 3, and cross it. Why? Because don't confuse it with another step. That's why we have to cross it. Let's another 3 digits, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6, and then cross it, and 2 plus 3 plus 0, 5, and cross it, and 3, remaining was 3. Here we got the answer. Take another example and let's try it. Like 5 7 8 6 is multiplied with 111. Before going to it, sandwich with 2 zeros, and add 3 digits from the left corner to right corner. Do it fast. 5 12 15. 5 3 digits, 5, crossed it, then 12, and crossed it, 5 plus 12 plus 20, crossed it, 7 plus 8 21, 7 plus 8 plus 6 21, crossed it, and 8 plus 6 14, and crossed it, 6 zeros directly. 6 4 2 2 4 6 6. Simply we can write the answer. These steps should be in the mental calculations. Thank you. Go subscribe to our channel and like and share.